Dr. P here. I want to discuss the Beverage lab report. Now, all of you did the draft lab report. So most of the major part is done for the lab report already. So let me go walk you through again. You need to give a title to the lab and it will get you 1 point. This is the rubric I'm showing you, and this will be posted on Blackboard, and there are few things missing here and I'm going to discuss it here. So you have a title to your lab report, and you write your name and the partner's name and the date in the right hand side corner here, and then the reference is coming from the lab handout. That also gets you a point. Now if you have shown me the pre-lab draft lab report, you will get 4 points there, and you state the purpose, 1 point, hypothesis 1 point, procedure, step-by-step procedure gets 2 points, and then your completed data table gets 2 points, and then your calibration graph, calibration curve has to be attached to the lab report. The calibration curve should have a title, 1 point, X is named, 1 point, X is units present, 1 point, scale correct, 1 point, line of best fit drawn using a ruler, 1 point. So that's your calibration curve. And then the data analysis is a major part in this lab. So the part 1 is density calculation, 2 points. That's easy for you. And part 2 is the experimental sugar content determination using the standard curve. If you have shown me the standard curve, that you have used the standard curve to get the sugar content, lines on the standard curve, that you get these 2 points. And the part 3 is the accepted sugar content calculation using the manufacturer's label information. That also gets you 3 points. Part 4 is the percent error calculation. That also gets you 3 points. And then the conclusion, you give it in paragraph form, conclusion. You don't have to write too much, a lot, but you have to restate the purpose of the experiment and briefly give your results, briefly discuss the results with the percent error, and then it's very important that you point out the errors or mistakes you encountered and how to overcome them. So the total points will be 30, and this rubric will be posted on Blackboard. Hypothesis is missing in this printout, so but you already have the hypothesis in your draft lab report, right? And I want everybody to have the lab report ready so that we can actually grade it in the class, next class. Okay, have a good weekend.